Hello everyone, welcome back to my educational channel ज्ञान विजर्ड. आई एम अजमल. इस वीडियो में स्टैंडर्ड 10 की मैथ्स 1 की प्रैक्टिस सेट 3.4 से क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. ये एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सरसाइज है. इसमें अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशंस के वर्ड प्रॉब्लम दी हुई है, जहाँ पर हमें कंसेप्ट को यूज़ करके वो क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करना है. ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सरसाइज है. आइए क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करते हैं. First question. On 1st Jan 2016, Sanika decides to save rupees 10, rupees 11 on second day, rupees 12 on third day. If she decides to save like this, then on 31st day 2016, what would be her total saving? Sanika is saving rupees 10 on 1st Jan 2016. Then on 2nd Jan 2016, she saves rupees 12. And in this way, she continues to saving, and she continues up to 31st December 2016. And then the question is, how much will be the total amount saved on 31st December 2016? If you will see here, value of A is given 10, D you can find out, and only the required value is the n, which is unknown. The value of n is equal to 365 or 366. This 2016 is a leap year, and in a leap year number of days is 366. The n will be equal to 366, and reason is year 2016 was a leap year. Year 2016 was a leap year. Or we can say, let's say simply write 2016 was a leap year. That means n is equal to 366. Value of A, first term, A is equal to 10. Value of D is the difference between two consecutive terms in an AP. That means here D is equal to 11 minus 10, which is equal to 1. We have to find the total amount on 31st December 2016. That means we have to find out the sum up to the nth term. That means formula we will use Sn is equal to n by 2a plus n minus 1 d. N is 366. Therefore, S 366 will be equal to 366 by 2a, 2 into 10 plus n minus 1. N minus 1, n is 366 minus 1 into d, d is 1. This is equal to 266 upon the 2, this is equal to 183. 2 into 10 is 20 plus 366 minus 1 is 365. 365 into 1 is equal to 365. This is equal to 183 multiplied by 385, and multiplication of 183 by 365 is equal to 70455. 70455. That means on 30th December 2016 the total amount saved is rupees 70,455. Question number 2. A man borrows rupees 8,000 and agrees to pay with a total interest of 1,360 in 12 monthly installment. That means the principal amount P is equal to 8,000 and he pays the interest of 1,360 rupees in 12 monthly installment. That means n is equal to 12. Each installment being less than the preceding one by 40. Next installment will be less than the preceding one. That means D, value of D will be minus 40. Reason being that next installment, that the value of the next term will be less than the previous by 40. It will be minus 40. Find the amount of the first and the last installment. First installment is T1, which is equal to A, and last installment, number of the terms is 12. Therefore, last installment is the value of the 12th term, T12. The T1 and T12 we have to find out. The value of the sum up to nth term is Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So first we have to find the value of what is the total amount repaid. So the total amount repaid will be equal to the principal plus interest. That means 8,000 plus 1,360, 9,360, and this will be value of the Sn, and n is 12. That means S12 is equal to 9360. Let's use the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Sn means S12, and this will be equal to 12 by 2, 2a. We have to find out the value of a. That means 2a plus n minus 1, n is 12, into d. Value of d is minus 40. This will be equal to 12 by 2 is my 6, 2a plus 11 into minus 40. And value of S12 is 9360. So 9360 divided upon 6 is equal to 2a. 11 into minus 40 is minus 440. Six 5s are 30. 6 6s are 36. 0. This is equal to 2a minus 440. Therefore, 2a is equal to 1560 plus 440, and this is equal to 16 plus 4 is equal to 2000, and therefore a is equal to 2000 divided upon 2. This is equal to 1000. We got the value of a. A is the first installment, and we need to find out the value of the T12. We know that Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Value of T12, that means a means 1000 plus n is 12 minus d into minus 40. This is equal to 1000 plus 11 into minus 40, which is equal to 1000 minus 440, this is equal to 560. The value of last installment, the 12th installment, is 560. Question number 3. Sachin invested in a national savings certificate scheme. In the first year he invested rupees 5,000, in second year 7,000, third year 9,000, and so on. Find the total amount that he invested in 12 years. In first year, Sachin invested 5,000. Second year, he invested 7,000. Third year, he invested 9,000 in national saving certificates. And he continued doing so up to 12 years. That means value of n is equal to 12. We have to find out the total amount invested in 12 years. That means value of S12. Here the first term of the AP, A is equal to 5,000. Value of D, which is equal to 7,000 minus 5,000, or D we can say it is the 2,000. If you will find out the difference between these two terms, 9,000 minus 7,000 is also 2,000. That means the given sequence is in AP. And the sum of the nth term of the AP is n is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. We have to find out the total amount saved in up to 12th year. That means we have to find out the value of S12. N is equal to 12, 12 by 2. 2a, a is 5,000, the 2 into 5,000 plus n minus 1. That means 12 minus 1 into d. d is 2,000. 12 by 2 is 6. 2 into 5,000 is 10,000 plus 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into 2,000 is equal to 22,000. 6 multiplied by this is 32,000. 0, 0, 0. And total amount saved are invested in 12 years is 1,92,000. Big amount. उम्मीद है ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा। इसे आप लाइक कीजिए, फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।